what she was thinking, I know what I wanna see. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Guinness Itaro from BSA 1B, and I will gonna show you the 5 locomotor and non-locomotor movements. First, walking. Running. Third is hopping. Fourth is skipping. Fifth is jumping. That's the 5 locomotor movements. And now I'm gonna show you the 5 non-locomotor movements. First, bending. Second, stretching. Third, twisting. Fourth is balancing. Fifth is rotation. And that's the 5 non-locomotor movements. And that's all. Thank you.